Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run air ducts effectively. First, you need to plan your ductwork project carefully. Start by assessing your home's layout and existing HVAC system to find the best places for your ducts. Next, calculate the heating and cooling loads for each room. This helps determine the correct airflow needed. Finally, design a duct layout that avoids long runs and sharp bends to ensure maximum efficiency. Once your plan is ready, it's time to size and select your duct materials. You'll use the airflow rate and air velocity to calculate the correct duct size for each section. When choosing materials, galvanized steel offers durability, while flexible ducts are great for navigating tight spaces. Remember, properly sized ducts are crucial. Undersized ones can create noise, and oversized ones might not distribute air effectively.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. While you're busy with home improvements, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleaning. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's get to installing your air ducts. Begin by cutting your duct sections to precise lengths and assembling them using metal fasteners or clamps, ensuring tight connections. When working with flexible ducts, connect them to rigid ducts or vents securely with metal clamps and specialized tape. It's also important to support horizontal flexible ducts at regular intervals, about 1.5 meters, to prevent any sagging and maintain optimal airflow. After installation, sealing and insulating your ducts is a critical step for efficiency. Use mastic sealant or foil tape to seal all joints and seams, preventing air leaks that can waste energy. For larger gaps, apply mastic with a brush or putty knife, ensuring it extends a few inches beyond the leak. Don't forget to insulate ducts located in unconditioned spaces, such as attics or crawl spaces, to significantly reduce heat loss or gain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.